Hey guys, Travis with ChordBuddy here. I just want to show you briefly, if I can, what I do to every guitar that comes in ChordBuddy before it goes out to you. I'm going to show you what I do to get it playable for you. So first, Scott's my cameraman today. We got to get the toolbox out. So Scott, we got Travis. He got tools box. So this is my tools box, and what it's got in it, it's got a fret dresser. It's got more fret dressers. All of these are files, and it's got all these pads right here that as you can see, I get a lot of use, and a tuner. So this is what I start with, and then I come over here and I grab a guitar, and so we take them out. They come in this. We take them out of that. Then I sit down, and Scott, here's where I get to work on this thing. So we do a complete, thorough checkpoint on everything. So first thing I do is I look at it. All right, we got a little something right here, so let's determine if that will come off, and it will. Okay. Now, had that not come off, we would have placed this in B stock, meaning nothing's wrong with it, playable, but it's got a little finish issue. All right, so I start looking, and I want to get the light. See, we can see the light coming across that. So I position it so I can follow it with the light above me to see any finish flaws. Okay, got a small one right here. I'm gonna have to determine if that's bad enough to be a B stock, and I just continue to turn it around and look at it all the way. And then I come back and I check the bridge, because here's where a lot of pressure is pulling up. So right there, make sure there's no crack in that. Then I turn it over and I check the heel. This is a spot right here that if it's going to crack, it'll crack right here where this wood meets this heel wood. Right there, you can see a little small line. All right, also the next place that they bust or crack is right here. So the bridge, up here at the headstock at the nut right here, they split sometimes, so I check that. And then I put it down like this, like you're looking down a 2x4. All right? And this one, neck is okay. It's okay. I'm looking for bow right here. And there's acceptable bow and there's unacceptable. This has a little bit of bow, but it is acceptable. Next thing I do is I feel the sides. You can actually hear that probably through the mic. So, see what that's done to my finger right there? So, what I do is I pull this string over, I feel it, I feel where the roughness is, put this fret dresser on here. Hear it and see all those shavings right there? That's metal shavings right there. Almost there. Boom! I felt it when it went away. All right. So now you take one of these pads and you put your thumb on the back of it and you run it up and down, up and down. And now, if you notice, you don't hear nothing now like you did a while ago. They're smooth as a little baby bottle. All right, so I got to do this side. The metal shaving that came off the fret, that's absolutely perfect. Taylor guitars couldn't do a better fret job than that one. All right, then I put the tuner on here, which is a Perry tuner, and I tune it up. And we're looking for an E. C, A, B, C, D, E, that'll be the next one. All right, so there's E. All right, now what you do, we've got them in tune, but now I got to go back and stretch them. So you want to come to your double dots right here, pick the string up, put your thumb there, and stretch. See how much I'm stretching that string right there? Now there's an art to learning how much you could, if I were to pull this string with the same power I'm pulling this one, it would snap it just like that. So you have to learn how much to pull each string so that it doesn't pop. Hear how out of tune it is again? So we go back and we retune it again. I can guarantee you I'm the only entry-level guitar company that is going through this effort for a low-price entry-level guitar. I can promise you I'm the only one in the country doing this. So I test it on every fret I play.